Good morning to all. Last class I have done square of some numbers. Today I am going to explain about the square root. Okay, square root of some given numbers. Square root of 1 will be 1. Square root of 4 it will be 2 because 2 to the 4. Square root of 9 3. Square root of 16 that is 4. Square root of 25 it will be 5. Some basic square root of some numbers you have to memorize. Square root of 36 will be 6. Square root of 49 it will be 7. Square root of 64 that is 8 because 8 is 64. Square root of 81 that is 9. And square root of 100 that is 10. Okay, this is the basic number whose square root you have to memorize thoroughly. Okay, let us go next. Let us go some example parts. Find the square root of 1764 by prime factorization method. Means you have to factorize 1764. It will go by 2. Just to see after factor how many 2, how many 3 or how many numbers are coming. And you make it pair 1764. How many 2 are getting? 2, 2. That means 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 7. You make one pair. 2 to 1 pair, double 3 1 pair, double 7 1 pair. Square root means you have to take one number out of two numbers. Out of 2, 2, you will take 1, 2. Out of 2, 3, you will take 1, 3. Out of 2, 7, you will take 1, 7. It is coming 42. Therefore, square root of 1764 is coming 42. This is the way of finding the square root of a given number by prime factorization method. Okay. Let us go one more question. Find the side of a square whose area given 1024 square meter. Means area of the square formula you know, side whole square. Therefore, side of the square will be square root of area, that is 1024 square root. How to find the square root of given number? By prime factorization method. Just you have to factorize 1024, you have to factorize completely by prime factorization method. How many 2 you are getting? Just to make one pair like this. Total number of 2 you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means this will be 5 pair of 2. 5 pair of 2 means out of 1 pair you have to take 1, 2. Like this, 5, 2 you have to multiply 32. Therefore, side of the square is 32. If area of the square given, how to find out the side of the square? Because area of square is equal to side whole square. Side whole square, okay. That means area given and side will be root over of area. That means 1024 root over is coming 32 by method of prime factorization method I have completed. Okay. Let us go one more question just to see. Find the smallest number by which the number 7803 must be multiplied or divided so that the product or quotient becomes a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained in each case. First of all, you have to factorize 7803. It will go by 3. Again it will go by 3. Again it will go by 3. Like this you are getting 3, 3 and 3, 17. For square root of any numbers, we have to make a pair. That means you have to make like this. By prime factorization method, we have 333 and 217. That means 1 3 is coming extra here. If you make pair, 2 3 1 pair and 217 1 pair, 1 3 left. Here the prime factors of 3 and 17 occurs in pair, but there is no prime factor to form a pair with the remaining 3. Therefore, we have to multiply or divide the number by 3 so that it becomes a perfect square. To make a perfect square, the 3 should be divided or one more 3 should be multiplied. That means if you will multiply 7803 into 3, you will get a perfect square because you will get 4 3 and 217. The perfect root over will be out of 2 3 you will take 1 3, out of 2 3 you will take 1 3, and out of 217 you will take 117. It is coming 339, 17 9 153. This is the number you are getting after multiplying 3. And if you divide 3, then also it is a perfect square. Thus, the given number should be multiplied by 3 to make the perfect product of a perfect square. When you divide the number by 3, we get 2601. If you divide 3 means he will get 2, 3 and 2, 17. The square root will be 51. Thus the given number should be divided by 3 to make a quotient a perfect square. This is the basic about the some 3 example I have done about the square and square root. Okay. I think it is clear for you. Let us go next. Exercise 3.2. Find the square root of each of the following by prime factorization method. Okay. Few questions I am today doing. Remaining part will be homework for your vacation. You have to complete 3.1 and 3.2 total. Find the side of the square, area given just like before I have done. By prime factorization you have to complete. What is the square root of 9? That is 3. Square root of 36, because 6 it will come. Same process you have to prime factorize the given numbers, then you have to find out square root. 900 square root will be 30, because 30 into 30 900. 8100 square root will be how much? 90. Okay. Few numbers are given, you have to find out square root by prime factorization method. Not difficult, just you have to factorize. And this much today. Thank you for today's class. You have to complete the exercise 3.1 and 3.2 full. Okay, thanks.